Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin maintaining your Asus N7400P, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and microfiber cloths. Make sure you have a static-free environment to avoid damaging sensitive components. First, power off your laptop and unplug it from any power source. Remove the battery if it is detachable. Next, locate the screws at the back of the laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry off the back cover using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging the clips. After opening the laptop, you will see the internal components, including the fan, cooling system, and RAM. Now, let's focus on cleaning the internal parts. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fan and heatsink. This helps in preventing overheating and maintaining performance. If you notice any dirt on the components, lightly wipe them down with a microfiber cloth. Remember to be gentle to avoid damaging any parts. If you feel uncomfortable performing this maintenance yourself, don't worry. We offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help you assess the condition of your laptop. Next, check the RAM and storage drives. If you want to upgrade or replace any components, make sure you have the correct specifications. Take your time to ensure everything is properly seated. If you're unsure about compatibility, feel free to reach out for assistance. We provide quotes before repair, so you can know the costs up front. After all components are cleaned and checked, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the back cover onto the device and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure all screws are tightened properly but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the casing. If you encounter any issues during this process or feel that it's too complicated, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service means no calls, no travel, and you can have your laptop serviced without the hassle of leaving your home. Finally, once everything is back in place, power on your Asus N7400P and check if it operates smoothly. Regular maintenance can significantly enhance your laptop's lifespan and performance. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Asus N7400P stays in top condition. Remember, we're here to help if you need further assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.